Hi there, this is our Lagun FU-1400 universal milling machine. Quite a big mill, good quality European. It looks as though it's had a digital readout on it at some stage. It's come with a universal head and also a slotting head, and the two arbor supports and arbor etc. Ticks over nicely. The only thing that I noticed was the cross slide has got a little bit of play in there, which you'll see. So starting from the back of the machine, it's nice and tidy. You've got your forward, your feed in rapid here. Your feed change is nice and easy to get to. Your other feeds there, it's got the ramp mill option there by the look of it. Over this side is your gear change. It's nice and tidy on this side. You've got your direction over this side as well, your forward and reverse and your coolant pump. That's the coolant pump running. I haven't put any fluid in it, but you can hear it ticking over there. Manual lube system there. You can operate your table back and forward there, and obviously here. Okay, well that table there, nice and easy to move. You've got those two options and virtually no movement in that. Cross slide's nice to move back and forward, and you've got about 3/4 of a turn movement in that one, and knee up and down, and that feels good. Okay, I'll put this back down. It's starting to rain, so I'll quickly get through this. I'll take you through the feeds first. I've just powered up the feeds there. Here's your different feed ratio, so I'll change you through. That switches over really nicely and easy to change there. I'll engage that feed to the table, so that's heading that way, and rapid, and I'll change that back to this way. So feed's going this way now towards me, and now rapid. So that's that feed to that top table. This is a cross slide feed heading away from you now, and I'll rapid that, and I'll change that direction and get that coming back out to you. So that's feeding out to you now, and rapid, and last one will be the knee, and that's on the feed to the knee, and rapid down, and feeding the knee up, and rapid up. So those are all those feeds. They're ticking over nicely. I'll take you through the spindle now. I'll set that direction for the spindle, and there it is there, ticking over nice and quiet. So that's in 450. Stop, and I'll put you in reverse. It's reverse. So I'll run you through the speed range. Let's get down to the slowest first. Okay, so that's 28. Next one, 35, 45, 56, 71, 90, 112, 140, 180, 224, 280, 355, and I'll miss 450 because you've heard that, 560, 710, 900, 2 more to go, 1120, last one to go, 1400. So there it is, going through the gear range. It ticks over really nice and quiet. It's easy to put through the gear range. I've shown you the feeds there. So it's a good quality European, quite a big milling machine, and it's all ready to go.